Okay, let's take this as what? As an example. Other example under what? Under bearings and distances. Okay, now a tree is on a bearing of what? South 360, 36 degree west. South 36 degree west from the point what? X, and south 78 degree east from a point Y. Now, if X is 200 kilometers due east of Y, calculate the distance of the tree from Y to the nearest of tree. So in this case, we are going to calculate the distance of the tree from the Y. Okay, but in this case, what you need to do, you draw as usual. This is the tree. Let's assume this is the tree. The north of the tree is this. This is the east of the tree. This is the south of the tree. This is the west of the tree. And we are told that it is south 36 degree west. This is the south. You just draw your 36. You come down. This is 36. 36 degree. And south 78 degree what? East. So this is what? You draw 78. And you come down. This is 78 degree. Okay, this is what? X, and this is Y. Don't join them together. Don't join them. Just leave them now. Now, what is it? Now, if X is 200 kilometers due east of Y, look at it. You draw another cardinal. This is the east. The north of X is this. The east of X is this. The south of X is this. And the west of what? Of X is this. And we are told that if X is what? Is 200 meters due east of what? Of Y. So this is east of Y. Then you draw another what? Another cardinal. So this is east, this is south. And here is what? Is 200 meters. And what is the question to consider? Calculate the distance of the tree from Y to the nearest degree. So we are asked to calculate the distance of the tree from Y. So we are asked to calculate this side. So we can make this one to be small x. This one to be what? The opposite of angle Y is what? Is small y. The opposite of angle S is what? Is small s. And the opposite of angle T is what? Is what? Small t, which is this one. Okay? But before you can do that, you need to add up these two angles. We have 36 plus 78. We have 114 degree. Okay, so in this case, we need to make use of sine rule. And when you use sine rule, you can use sine rule when you are asked to, when you are given triangles which are not right angles. When you are given triangles which are not right angles, but I'm talking of maybe obtuse angle and what, and output angle. That is when you can make use of what? Make use of sine rule. Okay, then it means that either two sides are given, then with what? With an angle, or two angles are given, then with one of them have to have opposite angle. Okay, now let's calculate this side now. We have to calculate this side. So sine, what is sine rule? Sine rule. Sine rule is what? Is, let me say x over what? Sine y. Then so sine capital X. Then we have y over what? Sine capital Y equals what? Z. Do you have, okay, T over sine capital T? Okay, because I'm using X, Y, T, that's why I'm using this one. You can make your own to be maybe A over sine A equals to B over sine B equals to C over sine B, provided depend on the letter you are using. Okay, now we're asked to find this one now. So this side is a complete side. Okay, this side is what? Is a complete side. So we need to know this side. Then before that, you need to know this side. This side is going to be what? Let's know the alternate angle of this one. This angle is a corner. Okay, this side is a corner. So 36, 90 minus what? 90 minus 36. What do we have? We have 4. Then this one will give you 8. 8 minus will give you 54. So here is what? Is 54. The remaining angle is what? Is 54. Is an alternate angle. This angle is what? Is an alternate angle. How did I obtain this 54? Because here is 36, okay? And the remaining angle here to complete a what? A corner is what? Is 54. That is 54 plus 36. What do we have? We give you 90. So the alternate, this one is what? Is an alternate to this one now. Okay? Now we have to find this opposite side. So we are going to have sine, we are going to have s divided by sine capital S, then equals to what? This side is a complete side. Then we have what do we have? We have t, small t over what? Sine capital T. So what is sine L? We don't know. What is L? We don't know. You just write down your S. Then we have sine what? Sine capital S. What is the capital S? Is 54. Then equals to sine T. Sine T is 200 over what? Sine capital T, which is 114. 114. So when you do cross multiply, what do you have? So this one will give you x equals to 200, then times your sine 54, sine 54, sine 54 over what? Sine 114. Sine 114. So what is the next thing? What is the next thing here? So we have x, we have equals to 200 times. What is sine 54? Sine 54 is what? Sine 54. We have 0.8090, then divided by what? Sine 114. Give you 0.9135. Okay, so let's multiply this together. We have 0.9135. Let's multiply this one together. We have 200 times what? Times 0.8090. So what do we have? 1.1. We have 161.8. 161.8. Then divided by what? Divided by 0.9135. So what do you have? We have 177.12. So the question says we should leave it to the nearest meter. So to leave this one to the nearest meter is going to be 177 meter. Isn't it okay? In meter. So that is the answer to this solution. Please don't forget to do what? To always like, comment, share, and follow us for more videos. Thank you.